This is the cleaning and maintenance video for the 420A myograph system. This is a durable and long-lasting system, and with proper care, you can perform daily experiments over many years. There are daily cleaning procedures that should be done at the conclusion of every experiment, as well as more long-term maintenance options that will help keep the system in great shape. At the conclusion of your experiment, you can remove the tissue, the wires, and the chamber divider from the chamber. You can also turn off heat using the touchscreen on the interface. Remove any remaining buffer. And you can fill the chamber with 8% acetic acid. You should fill it to the top and let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes. While it's sitting, you can use a cotton swab to rub down the sides of the chamber. Be careful to avoid adding any force to the force transducer itself. Empty the chamber of the remaining acetic acid and then perform 3 washes with double distilled water. You don't have to let this sit, and you can just perform the 3 washes immediately. You should also make sure to wash the chamber divider with acetic acid and water after you're done cleaning, as well as let the vacuum run for 10 seconds for the chamber cover to eliminate any buffer that's left in the pipes. Keep your oxygen bubbling on until you are done cleaning the chamber and running the vacuum for the cover. Wipe down any remaining buffer that you see on the chamber cover. You should be sure to wipe up any remaining water so it is completely dry in the chamber after your water washes. And that would conclude the daily cleaning procedures after each experiment. If a hydrophobic reagent was used, the daily cleaning procedures might not be strong enough to properly clean your chamber. You can use 96% ethanol or a weak detergent solution. To clean more resistant or toxic chemicals, you can fill the chamber with 1 molar hydrochloric acid for 1 to 2 minutes and let that soak. The most severe cleaning that we would recommend is 3 molar nitric acid for a maximum of 2 minutes. No matter which of these procedures was used, you need to make sure to thoroughly wash the chamber several times with double distilled water. We don't recommend the heavy cleaning procedures too often, as these can damage the myograph chamber. If you notice red or brown discolorations on the chamber sides or mounting supports, we have a detailed cleaning protocol that can be found in the cleaning and maintenance section of the 420A user guide. Replacement procedures for the force transducers or the cover glass can be found in the same section in the cleaning and maintenance of the 420A user guide. For the more long-term maintenance procedures, you will need the clear grease that came with the myograph system, as well as the brown petroleum-based grease as well. After every cleaning, you should double check and make sure that the grease that is surrounding the arm coming out of the force transducer is thick enough to protect against any liquid getting into the force transducer housing. The transducer is made up of electronics, so you need to make sure that it's completely protected from any liquid. Make sure that you use the clear silicone-based grease for this purpose. If you need to add more grease, you can use a pipette tip and just add more as necessary. If you notice that the micrometer is stiffer than it used to be or does not move smoothly, you can use the brown grease that came with the system, apply it to the track using a pipette tip to facilitate this movement. For more information, please refer to the 420A user manual or additional resource videos found on the DMT website.